Radical changes are coming for home buyers and home sellers. If you didn't already know, the blockchain is transforming the future of home ownership. Cryptocurrency is essentially to cash what email was to paper mail. It represents a new paradigm for digital assets that are decentralized from any financial institution or commodity. And for early adopters, this is already happening. Hi, I'm Frank Polsinello with the Polsinello Team at RE/MAX, and if you've been tracking the developments in blockchain technology, you already know that we're on the cusp of a revolutionary change. Today, I'm sharing a few ways this technology will radically change home ownership and the buying and selling process. The first question would be, can I buy real estate with crypto? Well, yes and no. Firstly, crypto is an easy enough investment to exit from, but buying real estate with crypto directly is another story. There are brokerages out there that claim to help you buy real estate with crypto, but they essentially do the same conversion process. The fact is that our banking system and real estate systems work in Canadian dollars and have almost no integration with crypto. Furthermore, you would need to either pay the entire purchase price up front or still pay a mortgage in Canadian dollars. The long-term dream of cryptocurrency has always been widespread adoption to rival the use of traditional currencies. However, in the last 10 years, the general adoption has been pretty slow, with only a few businesses willing to accept Bitcoin. For the time being, crypto is still mostly a niche topic in real estate. But I firmly believe that the cat is out of the bag, and it's not a question of if the blockchain will transform property sales and ownership for the better, it's a question of when. Thank you for listening.